Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe. So I just upload some YouTube short video and I want you to go and check it out. There's some information there that I don't want you guys to miss out. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to claim free APECOIN. You know, when you're talking about APECOIN these days, it's one of the big and huge NFT connection in town right now. So I don't want you guys to miss this opportunity. That's why I just have to bring it to you guys. So when you claim your APEC token, you can sell it on Binance or FTS exchange. So and if you like, you can just decide to hold your token or sell for a short-term period or something like that. But don't forget, always do your own research in any of my posts. I'm not a financial advisor, okay? But wait guys, I'm still waiting for you. I need you to get me to 500 subscribers. Please, I'm begging you guys. After watching this video, it only take you 2 seconds or 1 second to subscribe to this video right now. Just subscribe. Thanks guys. Have you done that? I'm still waiting for you. Have you done that? I'm waiting for you, bro. Okay, thanks. So let's get started. Follow all the steps. I'll drop the link in the description down below. Like, drop the comments. If you're having any issue, just drop the comments down below. I promise to help you out and I will reply as fast as possible. So don't forget to drop all your questions down below when you click the token.
Because you need Trust Wallet and a little BNB for transaction fee, just open your Trust Wallet. So having copied the link and you are in your Trust Wallet, come to DApp. You can see DApp down side here. Just click on DApp. Over here, you have a search or enter website URL. Input the link you copied over there. So once you input the link, you're going to load it so that we'll be able to claim this token. Now, the site has finally loaded. What you do is coming over here to change this network logo from Ethereum network to Smart Chain. We are going to be using Smart Chain to claim this token. So as you can see now, this is the official site where we are going to claim the airdrop. And when you scroll down, you get all the details you need to know. Is a NFT token. So over here you will get all you will need about this particular project. So when you scroll down, we'll see where we can be able to claim this token and also join the pre-sale over here. You can see the token sale here. Now this token is going to go live 89 days from now, and the token is going to be listed at $14 and we are claiming 500 of it. So we will be claiming 500 from here now. And to join the pre-sale of this token, this is how it goes. The mini buy here, you can see it. You are going to buy 0.01 BNB with 1,500, and mini buy is 0.1 BNB, which is 15,000. And you can see mini order buy 1 BNB 150, and mass buy here is 5 BNB, 750,000 of it. So what you just need to do is over here, you just input the amount of BNB you want to use and you proceed in buying it. That's how you'll be able to buy this token by joining the pre-sale. So for the referral program, just get your Smart Chain address, input it over here, then you generate the link, copy it. That's how you can also share it. So when you come down, you can see their network community, join, and you can equally ask questions if you have any particular question concerning this project. So go ahead, join their network community. So we'll just go straight and claim this 500 ape. So I'll click on this. It asks me to connect. I'm going to go straight and connect my wallet. It's going to initiate smart contract call. Okay, if you come over here now, can see that this token is charging 0.004 BNB, and network fee here is 16 cents. Total mass is going to be $1.71. So if I come to settings, I can try to replace it here with 6. I just replaced the gas limit with 6. So I will save it back. Haven't done that. I now have 12. So I will go ahead, click on approve. So I will be able to approve it. So if you click on approve, it will ask you to put your password. I just successfully claimed 500 APE and it has been sent to my wallet now. Another thing I will do now is just going back to my wallet, then I will add it manually so that it will appear in my portfolio. So get the contract address from the description. I will make it available from there, or you get it from my Telegram community. I will also make it available over there. Or you come over to the site, you can see BSC scan, click on BSC scan. It's going to load to the BSC scan where you can equally copy it. So you scroll down, you can see contracts, you click on copy, just copy it and you come back to this place, cancel it, and you click on wallet. So quickly come to here, you paste the contract you copied. You are going to click on here. You have a add custom token too. So just click on it. You also change network now from Ethereum network to Smart Chain, and you click on paste. Okay, haven't pasted it. You now see I have the coin name, which is APECOIN, and symbol APE. Decimal is 18. So I will just go straight now, click on done. Once I click on done, I supposed to have this token right in my wallet. I will just click on done. Okay, now I have successfully claimed this token. I have successfully claimed this token. You can see it now. I have 500 of this token, and 500 I will have more if I want. By claiming it again now, I'm going to buy the pre-sale, or
I want you guys to watch this video to the very end. Like, when after you claim this token right now, you can see you don't have to invest any money. Just wait for the token to be launched on next. So after you claim the token and you make sure everything is in your wallet, you don't have to buy any pre-sale. Just wait for the token or wait for them. You can join their channels. If you have any question, don't invest in any airdrop. Airdrop is free, and don't buy only if you feel like you want to buy the pre-sale. You can decided to like put some money in there, you understand. But just try to do that, but don't invest in what you can't afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. And if you have any question, please drop them down in the comments down below. I promise to answer you all. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channels. Get me to 500 subscribers, guys. Please. Thanks, guys.